A few days ago, we did over 10K in one live trading session. It didn't come from hindsight. There was no edit. It was done live on YouTube, and you can actually go watch that video. Now, a lot of traders think that having days like this come from having the best strategy or having the best indicators. I know I certainly thought so when I was starting out, but the reality is days like this don't come from any of that stuff. In order for me to hit days like this, I had to do something, and it was something very simple, but had a profound effect on my overall trading. And that was a mental shift. I had to reprogram my mind for success because I was trading like a trader who didn't want any money because the actions I was taking wasn't a reflection of what I actually wanted. So ladies and gentlemen, in this video with no fluff, I'm going to be sharing the mental shift that happened that allowed me to get to days like this that can also allow you to do the same. Let's waste no time. Let's jump straight into it. Yeah, most traders who come into the market, they already know what they're doing wrong. Over trading, over leveraging. You're excited. You know, when I first came into the market, I made every single mistake in the book. Awareness wasn't a problem. I knew exactly, what I needed to change. But the problem was repetition. And the more repetition that was done in any particular area, the more programmed I became. And I think that's one of the biggest things a lot of traders experience, right? When they're trying to get to the land of profitability, you're trying to hit your first 1K day, your first, 5, 10K day, whatever the case might be, right? You're trying to get to a point where you're making money consistently. You have to break that loop. One, frustration. That could be, maybe you losing or not being a good loser. Impulsive action. And that's you, being reactive and making a not so well thought out decision. It could be you coming into the market after you should be walking away. And then regret after you've seen the outcome of that impulsive decision, which is usually not good. And then repeat, right? So this is the cycle that most traders are stuck in. It's one that literally drives a large majority of traders to the ground. So once you've created the awareness and you say, okay, this is what I'm doing wrong, a lot of traders try harder. They push harder. Most people just focus on the pushing aspect and trying harder. More screen time, more trades. And what this does is it creates pressure, which creates more emotional decision making. Effort doesn't fix psychology. Clarity does. The market rewards clarity, not intensity, not this push, and I'm not gonna quit. I'm gonna show up every single day mentality that is focused on doing the wrong thing. If you're driving in the wrong direction, you're not gonna get to your destination regardless, of how fast or how hard you drive. So the best thing that I found for myself personally was to stop with the short timeline that I was setting for myself. Urgency doesn't build discipline. What you want to focus on is increasing your time horizon, because the shorter your timeline to become successful, whatever it is, the more pressure you create. So if you increase your timeline, what you're going to start to realize is you have a bit more room to breathe. You don't feel like rushing. You don't feel the tension anymore. You're okay with taking your losses. Your wins become a learning point, for you, and so do your losses, right? But what you've done is you've eliminated the need to make it today. And this is something that is accelerated with social media. Some days I train maybe 4 days a week, so I'm gonna skip something. But if I'm gonna skip something, it's legs, to be honest. But I didn't get here skipping legs. I did, like, my legs are 20 to 30 pounds, so you can't get there without, training your legs. It's light work. Let me just give it one. All right, fuck. All right, well, the dirty work is done. So how your identity influence trading decision is at the core. Trading is a reflection of you. If you see yourself like a non-profitable trader, that is what your trading account is going to reflect. There's a well-known fact that most people who win the lottery end up going broke. And that's not because the money wasn't enough. It was just because they never changed their identity, right? If you earn that money, over years of hard work, over years of programming your mind to actually become, you wouldn't go broke, right? But once it was just easily given. In order for you to get to where you need to get to, you need to actually program yourself, because that is what is going to stop your subconscious mind from engaging in behaviors that is not serving you. So your subconscious mind is what is driving a lot of your patterns, a lot of those behaviors and that needs to change, right? And you can do that by changing your identity, by seeing yourself, carrying yourself, dressing, talking every single day. Every single thing you do is that of a profitable trader. What you want to start to do as you start to shift and change your identity is you want to start asking yourself questions. You're trading and you're about to engage in a pattern that isn't going to serve you. Ask yourself, what would the version of myself that is profitable, what would he or she do? If it's walk away, that's what you should be doing. That's what you should be focusing on. And the more you engage in that, the more you walk in that, it doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to get it right every single day. Some days you might lose that battle. Some days you might know the right thing to do and do the wrong thing. That's fine. But as you continue to focus on changing your identity and changing the trader that you are to the trader that you want to be, you have to win more of those battles. The key point here, guys, is trading is a reflection of you. If you want to be successful, you have to build the identity of a successful trader and embrace that and embody that every single day. And you're going to get there, right? It may take a little bit of time, but it's better than not trying and not applying these principles that I've shared with you here today. That's helped me in my trading journey. I want to thank you guys for watching. It's Emmanuel from LiveFree FX. If you want to take your trading to the next level, check the links down below. Hit that like and subscribe button. And follow me on social media if you have any questions. I respond to my DMs only if you follow me. But till next time, I hope you're out there living free. God bless.